Well, we've talked about it, and we're going to do some raised beds this year. That's our garden spot now, and we're thinking about expanding over into here and taking down that Ketter building, that plastic building, and using that frame that's built for our greenhouse and bringing basically raised beds out into here and possibly down along this fence line. Where are we at here? Yeah, this fence line. So we're still talking about it. I am going to go to the pole barn and see what wood I actually have in the pole barn. When we bought the house, it came with a bunch of stuff that the previous owner left. There's wood, there's decking boards back there, there's PVC pipe, there's quite a bit. And I would dig in it every now and then for projects, but since we're going to do raised beds, let's see what we got and what we can use for free before we have to go out and source other material, whether it be Marketplace, Craigslist. So this is what we have. There's old metal, I don't know if you can see them. I mean, it is all grown up. I've got to come out here with a weed eater or something. Got an old piece of, looks like a railroad tie, but it has just grown up. I am going to go through this, pull out what I can, see what I have, what's salvageable, and talk more with the wife, how many beds she wants and configuration. So this is the first part of the project, is digging this out. All right, and I got water barrels. I got blue barrels that were there. I got an old lawnmower. It still runs, but needs a new battery and tire pumped up. I use that to mow the really rough places in the yard so I don't damage my other mower. But I got water barrels for catching the rain off this pole barn. That was one of the projects, and I may get to it this year, hopefully. We'll see. Some cages we got at livestock auctions. We got some cages. We may do something with that, tear them down, make them into transport caging for quail or rabbit, because we're going to be doing more rabbit this year. So that's another one I'm going to start working on. Let's see, got some brick. My stepdaughter found this on Marketplace somewhere and got a big stack of it for almost nothing. So she stuck it here for storage, but we'll use some of it. It's been there a while. Wood from a tree, from an old elm tree. We'll clean that up this year. Let's see. And there are my old window frames that we had taken out of the house. So it's a winter project. I'll bring those in the house, let them warm up to room temperature, and put fresh glazing on the glass over in here. See if it's cracked, and make cold frames. That'll be integrated into the garden somehow. A lot to do. Okay, unloaded the barn. Picked the best wood, the biggest wood to come up here. So I have some 2x4s down there. Haven't measured all this yet. So not bad for free wood in the pole barn dugout. Don't know how I'm going to configure it yet, but free wood is always nice to have. Haven't measured those yet. Those are all 2x4s. So, getting cold, getting dark. Anyway, let's go down here and see what it looks like. Some of the things I cleaned. I got some more wood down here. All right. There's some, basically it's 2x2s, things of that nature. Not bad. Had some 4x4s, I think 6x6 maybe. This is the wood, all the wood that had nails they tried to build something with, or took out somewhere. So I left it in a pile here until I could take the nails out. And that's where all the wood was at. On an old truck rack, looks like. Something. So I cleaned myself out of space. Something we may do later is enclose this in and put a doorway on the other side where the 2x4s are up there, and put a run out here. Put a run out here, maybe with some premier fencing or whatever, and put some chickens. Don't know. But I got multiple stalls. I got 1, 2, 3. Really, I got 4 stalls that I could use. I just have to move my wood there on the other side, a wood pile. Move it on the other side. So that's a possible future project. Compost piles. May run chickens, meat chickens down there this year. Down this way. My bees are down there as well. So we'll see. But it's cold right now. Really cold. The chip pile. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Just keep working on projects. It's gonna be cold this week, so I don't know how much I'll get done outside, but I got a long laundry list of things to do inside. So, anyway, hope everybody's staying warm. Everybody's working on projects. Talk to y'all later.